All right, let's jump right into this. Picture your fitness studio right now. You know the scene. The music's bumping, the floor is absolutely packed with drop-in folks, and the energy is just through the roof. But here's the harsh reality check. That crazy busy schedule, it's kind of an illusion. Just because you've got a room full of sweaty, smiling people doesn't necessarily mean you've got a profitable, sustainable bank account.
Which brings us to the real elephant in the room. Why are your members just disappearing after a few weeks? You're probably stuck in this brutal churn cycle, right? Like a revolving door. Sure, you've got new members signing up, but they're literally just replacing the ones quietly slipping out the back. And the main culprit here? It's those random, unstructured daily workouts. They give people a great sweat, for sure, but there's absolutely no clear path to actual, measurable success.
And hey, the numbers totally back this up. And honestly, it's a bit of a staggering reality check. Industry data shows the average gym loses 50% of its members every single year. Half. Literally half your roster, gone. Why? Well, because eventually, people just hit a wall. When there's no clear sense of progression, no skill development, and really no accountability, they just lose their motivation and walk right out the door.
So how do we actually fix this? The answer is progressive small group personal training. Instead of managing a massive, chaotic crowd, picture this. Just 4 to 8 members following a structured long-term fitness progression designed specifically by a coach. It is literally the ultimate sweet spot. It perfectly blends the high-energy vibe of a group workout with the scientific, results-driven focus of one-on-one coaching.
When you put these two models side by side, the shift is pretty much a no-brainer. Think about the traditional drop-in model. It's chaotic. You've got random daily workouts, you've got one coach stretched incredibly thin, like a 1-to-20 ratio, and totally unpredictable attendance. But small group training, it completely changes the game. You're offering 8 to 12 weeks of real structured progression. You've got an intimate coaching ratio and highly accountable, fixed sessions where people actually show up.
Okay, now let's talk about the math, because this is where it really builds your bottom line. Shifting from high-volume drop-ins to a high-value coaching model totally transforms your predictable revenue. Instead of, crossing your fingers for enough $15 drop-ins or trying to push a flat $120 unlimited pass, you are now offering a premium coaching program in the $200 to $350 range per month. You start scaling through actual value rather than just relying on foot traffic.
And here's the best part. Because your members are getting actual visible results and forming genuine connections with each other, they stick around. This brings us to the secret weapon. Boosting your attention by just 5% can skyrocket your profitability by up to 95%. That is insane, right? You end up spending way less time and money endlessly chasing new leads, and a lot more time actually building relationships with the members you already have.
Now you might be wondering, how on earth do I make this switch without totally blowing up my current operations? Well, you do it gradually. Step 1, just start by launching a single 8 to 12-week pilot program right alongside your current schedule. Keep a really close eye on it. Strictly track those members' progress and gather their success stories. Once you've got that solid proof of concept and some great feedback, you just slowly expand the successful programs while dialing back those chaotic drop-in classes.
So I want to leave you with this one provocative question to chew on as you look out at your gym floor tomorrow. Are you just running random workouts, or are you actually building systems that guarantee your members' success? It's time to permanently rethink the floor, stop the churn, and start focusing on results-driven, scalable coaching. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, here's to building a stronger, more profitable studio.